Hello everyone and welcome to my first video of the new year. Today I have a tomato and feta tart for you, which I have adapted from my favourite cookbook, Tonia's Greek Kitchen. So let's get going. You will need one packet of puff pastry. Ours come in the chiller section already in greaseproof paper, so I've left it on. Make a border around the edge of the pastry and then prick it with a fork. I forgot to prick it with a fork, but it was still fine. It's better if you do. Then we need 4 to 5 large tomatoes. Cut them into rounds, not too thin. And I'm not discarding the bits in the corner. I'll use them in a salad later because I hate waste. Then add the tomatoes onto the pastry, neatly arranged because we want it to look pretty. Add 10 to 15 Kalamata olives, which I've cut in half, and place them onto the tart. Then we have 1 tablespoon of capers, which we need to scatter around. And about 40 grams of feta, which just crumble that over. And it will go nice and golden in the oven. Drizzle over 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then bake that at 200°C fan for 30 minutes. It might sound like a long time on a high temperature, but the tomatoes will release water and you don't want the tart to be soggy, but do keep an eye on it. Then tear over some fresh basil for a nice colour and a bit more flavour. And it's ready to serve when it comes out of the oven. It will be very hot, so do not burn the roof of your mouth on it like I may have done. I hope you enjoy this and I'll see you next time.